Hey guys, welcome in this new video. I hope that all of you are doing great. So today we're doing a vlog. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me throughout the whole morning to show you basically what I do in the morning to get ready for the trading day and how I optimize everything to make sure that I get the best trading results possible. So I'm really excited to record this video. It will be very different than the other ones that I've made, and it's going to show you guys, what it really looks like to trade full time and what I do in the morning to, make sure that everything runs smoothly. So guys, if you are excited for this video and if you would like me to do more vlogs in the future, just drop a like under the video and I will really look at that to see basically if you guys like this video. And if I see that there are a lot of likes, I will not hesitate to do more vlogs in the future, and make sure as well that you are subscribed to the channel if it's not already done. Okay, so right now it's 7:30 a.m. I just woke up and I'm going to go and take a quick look at the charts and fundamentals to see basically what happened during the night. So that's really the first thing that I do in the morning. I already did a really quick checkup on my phone before getting up, so it was like 10 seconds, right? So really brief. Right now I want to know basically what happened during the night. So what are the new fundamental information that we have? This is always the, let's say, first real step of my day, which is really important. So let's go take a look at this. Alright guys, Anthony from the future here. So let's do this little voiceover. So the first thing that I do is go on Forex Live. This is the main website that I use for fundamentals, and I just check basically what happened during the night, and after I also take a look at Forex Factory for the calendar, and then I jump right over to Twitter. This is really important. I really use a lot Twitter for fundamentals. So I check the feed, I check what happened during the night, and then I will open the two tabs for the other screen, so the currency map, and I have another page for fundamentals. So I just check through the news, see what happened, and then I do a quick scan of the chart. So I look at the trades that I have, look at if anything changed, I redo some analysis and stuff like that. So that's really important, right? All of this is really part of the little checkup that I do. It gives me a good idea fairly quickly of fundamentals and technicals to basically see what happened during the night. Then I will check the positions that I have, see and start to think about what I want to do for the day. And that's pretty much it for this part. Alright guys, so for breakfast, I have some fruits. I will either take them like this or turn them into a smoothie. Then we have the eggs for the protein and the gains, of course. And then we have, right, coming up, the omega-3, right? So I take this for concentration, and it's really good for the brain. And basically here, as you guys can see, I have water, orange juice, smoothie, and eggs. So a very light breakfast with a lot of vitamins in them. And then, of course, the little coffee. Alright guys, and just like that, we're back at the desk. So I got my breakfast, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and got my little coffee just right here. Of course, the coffee is very important in the morning. It's super helpful to stay focused and have a great start of the day. Now, as you guys saw with the breakfast, something very light, and there is a reason for that. So the purpose of me having this breakfast is really to optimize, as I said, my work and my energy. So just to quickly go over it, right? I had 2 glasses of water. So water overall is super important, obviously, right? After that, I had 1 glass of orange juice. So, just good fruits, right? Good vitamins and stuff like that. Then after that, I had some fish oil. So as you guys saw, right, I literally, take a spoon and drink this in the morning. It's super good for all the cognitive, function, right? How you think, how you retain the information, your focus and stuff like that. So I kind of have this supplement, if you want, that really helps. After that, I had eggs, right? So for protein and stuff like that, and a bunch of fruits that I decided to turn into a smoothie. I don't always do this, right? Depends on, how I feel in the morning. But as you guys can see, overall, in my breakfast, I have a lot of fruits, vitamins, and a lot of protein. That's basically it. It's super simple like that, and it's super light, as you guys can see, right? It has really low calories. And the reason why, and it's really important for you guys to understand this, the reason why I do this is because I don't want to have any brain fogs, all right? If you eat a lot in the morning, right? If you eat, a lot of carbs, right? A lot of processed food, a lot of fat and stuff like that, right? You're going to have a brain fog, right? It will be around, let's say you get your breakfast around 7 to 8 in the morning, right? When it will be around 9-10, you will have a brain fog, you will feel tired, and your energy level will decrease a lot. And so you don't want this to happen, right? If your goal is to be productive, if you want to get things done and achieve your goals, you want to eliminate that as much as you can, right? And so the way to do this is to have a very light breakfast. It's super, super important. I've been doing this for a very long time, and it's really, really helpful. And when I don't have this kind of breakfast, I notice it already, right? Like I feel super tired in the morning after that. Whereas when I have this breakfast, it's so light that I just feel just amazing, and it's perfect because it really keeps me sharp and focused. So that's why I do this, and it's really important, right? A lot of people think sometimes that trading, to be profitable in trading, it's just about looking at the charts and doing your analysis and taking your trades, but in reality, it's much more than this, right? Like to me, trading, a trader is like an athlete in a sense, right? Like, because you need to optimize everything if you really want to have the best results. So you need to optimize your sleep, what you eat, your exercise, and your practice on the chart and stuff like that, right? Like you need to optimize everything. And so that's really what I do. And this is really what helps me get the best results, right? So to me, this is my career, right? Like this is really what I love the most. And this is my main source of income, right? So of course I need to optimize everything. And my goal is to become and to be the best that I possibly can, right? And so if I want to achieve this level of excellence, I need to, have the same expectations of myself on all the other areas of life, which will directly impact my trading. So I talk a lot about this in our program, right? It's really important, everything related to the mindset and your habits and stuff like that. There is a whole section in the course why I only talk about this because it's crucial for trading success. So I just wanted to explain this part. So right now we're back at the desk. What I will do is a second checkup. So between breakfast and the other little things I did to now, there are about a 30 minutes difference, right? So within this 30 minutes, well, markets have moved. So I want to see what happened. I want to see if there's not anything new. And then I will keep up with my day. Now, I've already done the first checkup, right, as you guys saw. And so basically what I've noticed is that today will be, I think, a day where I don't have to do much on the market. And what I mean by that is that if you guys know a little bit about, myself and how I trade, well, you know that I trade medium to long term, right? So I'm not a day trader. I don't take trades every day. I don't take trades every week. And sometimes there are even months where I don't take a single trade, right? So I trade very, very differently than most people. And so basically my trading account is a portfolio, right? So I manage a fund. And so I basically operate like any investment bank or any hedge fund would do. So it's really, really different. There's no day trading. There's no short-term action or anything like that. I really have multiple long-term positions, right? Medium to long-term. And I manage these positions. So I make sure that the risk is adjusted, that, the positions are balanced, that the portfolio is looking good. Then I look for potential positions that I want to remove or that I want to add. So it's very, very different than what most people are doing. And this is really, what gives the best results, right? I've been trading for almost 7 years. That's crazy to think that, but I've really been trading for almost 7 years. And so I've tested a lot of things, right, in 7 years. And this is really what, works the best by far. So right now I'll do the second checkup. All right, guys. So now that the trading part is done, I will move on to the other things I have to do today, which are, everything related to our mentorship program. So I will go through all my messages. I will answer all the questions from our members. This is what I do on a daily basis. Every single question that I receive, I take the time to answer them. So students have access to my direct help, which is really, really good for them, right? Because it helps them, just to understand everything that they need to understand the right way. After that, I will probably create some content, right? So post some stories, post some TikTok and stuff like that, right? So of course, I create content for you guys, right? Just to share value, share my knowledge and stuff like that. So I'm all over the place, right? Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, right? So I post basically on all of these platforms. So it takes time as well, right? To create this content. And so it's also part of what I do on my day-to-day life. So this is what I will be doing right now. So I guess that I will catch you guys a bit later on. Alright guys, so it's now 11 a.m. and I've been able to get a lot of work done. I've done a lot of business development this morning, and I wanted to talk about it with you guys. So it's crazy how nicely it's going right now, with our mentorship program. not only because of, you know, the results that our students are getting, but also because I've been able to restructure a couple of things inside of the course, and I'm still working on that, but it's really, you know, just amazing, right? Like we're getting on another level, and I'm just super excited, you know, to see what 2022 has in store for us. But I think it will just be, you know, an awesome year, and you know, it's just amazing, and I'm super grateful, you know, to see every single day members getting results, right? Members telling me how much they enjoy the course and how much they're learning and stuff like that. So guys, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to join our community, well, the link is always in the description box, right? And I'm not going to, you know, do a whole sales pitch right now to you, right? But I just wanted to mention this, you know, because I know how amazing the course is, you know, like every single time when someone joins the course and they start to go through it, they're like, wow, Anthony, it's insane, you know, how well it's built and how, you know, better I am already with trading, right? And over time, they just develop their own system, they become profitable, and, you know, it's crazy, right? And of course, you know, the program is not magic in itself, right? You still need to put in the work, and you still need, you know, to go through it, right? I cannot physically take your body and make you do the work, right? But if you have this kind of discipline, and if you are able, you know, to stay focused and just get things done, I'm telling you guys, you know, the program is absolutely insane, and it can really give you results, right? This is the case for a lot of our members, and I'm just super grateful and happy for that. And that's why I talk so much about it, right? I just want to share with you guys, well, this part of my life, which is just amazing, right? And it really fulfills my happiness, you know, to see my members and students, you know, succeeding at trading every single day. It just shows me that I'm doing the right thing, and that, you know, I'm really helping a lot of people, and it's just amazing, right? So yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys, you know, enjoyed the video. I hope that it gave you a good idea of what I do, you know, in the morning. But basically, it's really simple like that, you know, like every single morning is the same. And this is really one of the key part of my success, right? I have always the same routine, and it just helps me to stay consistent and make sure that I get the best results. So I hope you guys enjoyed as well this kind of format where I do more of a vlog than just talking in front of the camera. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like on it. I would really appreciate it. Make sure that you share the video around as well. And on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.